Arab started his travel adventure right at the airport. He was busy and happy pushing the trolley. Thanks to Hyderabad airport that it has a kids play area where he had so much fun. He ran, played and got all tired.
विंडो सीट पे बैठा है जहाँ पे विंडो ही नहीं है.
He fell asleep and the flight to Kerala was smooth and peaceful.
Mama is also sleeping.
From Kochi, we headed to the rainforest resort. The drive was so green and beautiful. As soon as we reached rainforest, first thing we did was enjoying the breathtaking view of Athirapally Waterfall. Look at the nature's magic.